Hello everyone, so this video is about a Mercedes Self Parking. So this feature is not available in all Mercedes models, but this particular car is a 2013 GL450, and I'll show you how it works on this car. So there's a logo that has a letter P, which is a parking logo. Once you approach a parking spot, a small arrow would pop up next to it. Once you see this arrow, you're ready to park. So what you do is that you put the gear on reverse, and then on the dash you'll see a confirmation that's asking you to confirm, so you click OK, and at that point it's safe to release the brake, and you'll see here the steering wheel starts adjusting, but you have to keep your foot on the brake, and then we'll adjust on the other side. Once it's almost there, the next thing you do is just put it on drive. So now it's the right time. I'll put it on drive now. And then you can see here the steering wheel is adjusting itself. And then the final thing is park assist finished.